today I'm in the passenger seat. Young David is the designated driver. Beautiful scenery in Scotland, really is lovely out here. Look at this, man. Oh my god. You can't write this shit, we just smacked into a fucking sandbag. Literally, look at the damage it's done to my bumper. Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, Dave and I were just driving along and there was a sandbag in the road and there was a car on our left and we literally couldn't avoid it, so now we haven't got any bloody cable ties on us, so we're trying to get off the motorway so we can do some sort of a repair route. Sorry Jamie, that wasn't my fault though. It wasn't mine either. No, it wasn't Dave's either. We just discovered a load of garage on the left, so we're just going to pop down there and see if we can flag some cable ties off them. We are here at Paint Tech, they very kindly gave us some cable ties. Alright, put the bumper back on. We do have a little bit of damage down here, but oh well, that's what happens when you hit a sandbag at 50 miles an hour. Woo-woo! Driftland, baby! Right, here we are at Driftland. Check the weather out, man. You couldn't ask for a better day. I am wearing a t-shirt and I'm not gonna lie, it probably is about 13 degrees, but I'm gonna man up. Oh, this is nice. Look at this, guys. Woo! That's tidy. Apart from the flat tyre, that's nice. That was pretty cool. That was Mr. Ival doing a few moves. Oh, look what we got coming out, Pete. I think this is one of the BDC drivers. Man.
How are you?
Good looking, man.
Morning, bro. Yo!
What are you saying, Batman? Where are we at?
We are a replacement fan.
If you guys look down here, we've now replaced the GK Tech fan, which I destroyed, with a stock SR21. So yeah, we're pretty much good to go. Dave's just going to finish off now with the fan. I'm going to get all my my GoPros ready, my helmet. I'm going to go out there and do some dogs.
We go fishing on the sea.
Adam appears to have a slight crash shoot. I've only got my phone. Mate, you are certifiably a fucking legend. I've never seen someone go quite up high up the bank. Any thoughts?
Not buying it now.
Definitely. So yeah, Matt was actually considering buying this car, but Adam seems to have got it slightly lodged up a bank. Oh! Wait, go back. Go on. Oh yeah.
Take the rope off, let him drive forward.
It's just weight reduction, that front bumper.
You fucked it, mate.
I'm sorry. You're not even filming this bit.
The amount of cameras that are here and not one person caught it on camera.
Is this car still for sale? One lady owner, never raced or rallies. Good effort, ads. All good, man. Go on. You are my hero, Adam. You're the new Monky London. You can tell there was a crash because everyone congregates in the track.
We're taking your car for a spin.
Oh my god.
Little S-body fun.
Woohoo!
I know.
It's going to be really strange sitting in the passenger seat of my own car.
It is. Everybody you take out, they're always like, this is what it feels like. I wondered why that person was scared.
Yeah, we're just going to go out for a quick little spin. We're just doing a quick cheeky little Driftland review. So if you guys check out the Driftland YouTube channel down here, it's probably going to be out 10 years before my video. So hope you enjoy it.
Dude, she's brilliant.
Well done, dudes.
Absolutely well done.
I'm so glad you like it.
He set it up really nicely. So,
Yeah, well, it's testament to Dave, really.
yeah.
Pretty sick. We did some twinning with the chap with the 350 Z with the N54 engine, so, and we were getting quite close as well. He's a really nice, consistent driver, so cheers for that. Now we're just going to head down to the brief room. It's about 5 o'clock. We've got about an hour left of skids. We're not actually going to be skidding my car. Are we skidding my car?
I don't know.
We're doing some sort of electrical shock challenge. We wear some sort of electrical dog collar, and something happens, and if you don't do it right, you get shocked. So I'm probably going to die. How painful is it?
It's worse than man flu. Proper, like.
Oh man.
What's
Yeah.
the matter?
Scale of 1 to 10.
19. Hi everybody, this is electric shock drifting. Toby was trying to describe to his camera, basically if you got it wrong you got shocked. That's not how it works, you just get shocked.
Oh.
So everybody will be paired up, and all I'm going to say is if you're the first person in charge of the control, you're in the passenger seat shocking the driver, just remember in 5 minutes time his revenge will come.
You're basically trying to put them off. So when they go to wand, shock them. When they go to steer hard, shock them.
When they go to brake, accelerate,
Shock them.
So there's one for the arms and one for the legs. So just to test the arm one works.
I'm not doing this, man.
They both work at the same time. So everybody's going into pairs. This is the best idea I've ever had.
Look, if he comes and starts being a dick, just do that. You've got remote control, stay back! Stay back!
You fucking fang, I'm telling you.
Which one's which?
Fucking legs. Check the arms, man. How many laps have we got to do? 3? I think 3 laps. We're doing shift lock. So you die. Let me just test it. Where is it on your body?
Two on the inside of the thighs, two on the
Under the arms. Oh man. I really don't want to press it because you're just going to fuck me up. Fucking sick kids, man.
That was fucking awful.
No, yeah, your skids were still amazing, man. I don't think I pressed it quite enough.
Yeah, push again just to make sure.
No more, man. I'm gonna get fucked up. I'm not looking forward to this.
A few moments later.
Go! You fuckers! Ow! This really hurts. Oh! Oh! Ah! You fucker! Fucking hell!
Hold on, make sure they're on.
Ow!
That legs.
Shit!
Arms.
Ow! It's so painful! Ow! Shit! You mother trucker! Fucking cunt! Ow! It's so sharp, the pain! Ow! Ow! Shit! Dude! Ow! 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 No! I can't do it, man! It's so painful, bro! Ow! Ow! That's it! I can't do it! How did you survive this?
I'm fat.
Ow! No, stop! That's it. That's it. I'm out of here. I am fucking out of here. You absolute bastard. You were holding it on for 20 seconds. Right, that's it. I quit. I'm quitting. Get this off me.
Which one? That one.
Ah! Stop it! I'm flipping these things over. That's it. Ow! You dick! That's it. I quit.
That's hilarious.
Oh, it's not.
Just wait, I bet the video is fucking hilarious.
Man, it's really painful.
Stuart just admitted that he turned him up to 80.
You fucker. Is that what hurt so much? You, that bastard.
What were they meant to be on?
50. Right, I'm gonna have a word with him. Stu, you wanker, you turned it up to 80. You fucker. No wonder I couldn't even move, you absolute bastards. Paul's currently out having his electric shock treatment, and it looks like he's fucked already. Okay, well, he's better than me in that car. He's still doing amazingly. What? How did you just manage to do boss skids? Amjad, is it still working?
Oh man. Oh! Fuck me, I was scared, I was screaming the whole time.
Look at that face. Terror.
No, fuck off, Toby! Fuck off! Fuck off! Ah! Stop, dude! Stop! Fuck! I'm gonna kick you in your bollocks, you fucking prick!
Craig, does it work?
No, Craig! No! No! And then what do you do? Don't press it! No. Ow! What is that? Is that your... That was my arms! Okay, this one. Ow! Fuck! Oh, sorry. Ow! Fucking the legs hurt so bad! Don't turn it up, you fucking prick! Don't turn it up! I didn't. You did, I watched your dog! Ow!
Here he goes. He's eggy, he's eggy.
Don't make me cry on YouTube. He wants this to be over.
Yeah! No, he's had it.
Is anyone else got shot? No! Fuck! Ah! Ah! Stop, monkey, stop! Fuck! Yeah, he's gonna get fucked up. Dude, where are you? Ah! skinny bastards! Fuck off! Oh, get me in there.
Is it working as?
Ah! Oh! Whoa!
He's going so quick, isn't he? He's like, I'm getting this over and done with.
I don't know if they're working.
What setting were they on? It's 85.
Ow!
That one's still on. Did you enjoy your
More than I've enjoyed anything else. He apologised to me in the car, so I think I did a good job.
So sorry.
Oh, still friends.
Yeah.
Thanks for today, Jake.
No worries.
Absolute star, man.
More than
I
welcome.
can't wait for some more Driftland shenanigans, but no more electric shocks, thank
Can't
you.
promise that, I'm afraid. Definitely can't promise that.
How was your day, Paul?
Oh man, I mean, how was my last 2 days?
Yeah, what do you think, honestly, Jake? Like,
Yeah,
how do you think he's getting on?
We, you know, he was going around what we were using SDC layout, which was basically BDC layout, just with some slightly easier clips.
Yes.
And mid-70s, I'd say.
And the fact you're even putting a score on the board is testament. Yeah, honestly, man, you're gonna.
We had,
seat time, you're gonna be there.
we had what 30 odd drivers for the last round SDC, and I think 10 didn't put a score down.
Effectively, you're a comp driver now. Can we get him a comp? No, well done, Paul.
It's
Really
been
impressive
good,
skills.
like even to jump in your car and see how little things that you do as well. Like I'm learning from everyone.
I
And
wouldn't follow my moves too much.
yeah, I've got you
Just
just going into the stone.
Copy Toby, just take like 4 or 5% off the top. And
About 20% off. I go like 120, don't I? I'm gonna love you and leave you all. Fist bump, ads.
Are you not going for food later?
Yeah, I will. Just don't fuck.
Oh, you ruined the outro now.
Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you, boys. Love you lots. Jeez,
Much love.
Legend.
Come back soon.
You're not coming
Mr.
for
P.
food later?
Yeah, Sick. Right,
See you later.
Ciao. Right, that pretty much wraps our day up. We're going to go and grab a little bit of Chinese with the guys from Driftland and some of the lads that were drifting today. Yeah, I'm never ever doing that electric shock thing again. Fuck that, man.
I'm voting and rip them off dogs if I ever see them.
I might sue when I get back. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We're going to be back down here tomorrow morning running a little competition where some of you guys enter the comp to win a few passenger rides with me and the rest of the boys. As always, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a like, put any comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and we'll see you soon.